Time is precious and flies. It seems that in the blink of an eye, that Century Sunshine Paper has walked across 20 years. When the history rumbled its wheels towards the 21st century, Wang Dongxing, as a young entrepreneur greeted by the first sunlight of the new century, led his team to build the Century Sunshine Paper with a wonderful dream of being a 100-year enterprise. Bathed in the splendid morning glow, Wang Dongxing and his colleagues were full of ambitions, with a vision to create the best paper brand in China, distinctive product positioning, and differential business strategy. They have created a unique development road for Century Sunshine Paper. Despite of wind and rain, we have made innumerable great achievements. Century Sunshine Paper has now become a Hong Kong-listed company whose total assets surpass RMB 10 billion. Paper-making capacity reaches up to 2.3 million tons, and total pre-tax profits are over RMB 1 billion. We have successively built Numat Paper, Shaanxi Power Plant, Shandong Sunshine Conceptual Packaging, Sunshine OG Shuguang Specialty Paper, Shanghai One Great Industrial, Xianyi Logistics, Dahuang Recyclable Resources, Wamat Paper, Kemai Biomechanical Pulp, and Tianwei SciTech Environmental Protection, etc. A total of more than 10 subsidiaries, which has formed a complete industrial chain of paper making and packaging, and a top-grade packaging paper production base second to none in China, even in Asia. At the same time, we are the leader in new concept packaging and the creator of agriculture paper-making integration. We have stridden into the line of global paper-making top 100 and entered into the new age with great confidence. Innovation has always been the source of power for the development of Century Sunshine Paper. At the beginning of the company, its decision-makers with breakthrough ideas insisted on the way of differentiation. After in-depth market research, we have followed closely the demands and trends in the packaging market, invested a total of RMB 10 billion based on strategic visions in the building of a series of projects, including an annual output of 100,000 tons of white top test liner, 200,000 tons of light-coated white top test liner, 200,000 tons of core board, 500,000 tons of coated white top test liner, and 800,000 tons of premium medium paper, etc., reached a packaging paper capacity of 2.3 million tons, become the largest base for the professional manufacturing of congeneric products in China, and grasped the commanding height in market competition. Through foresight-based cooperation, Century Sunshine and OG Paper co-built Sunshine OG Shuguang Specialty Paper Company Limited, which, with two newly built production lines, forms a capacity of 150,000 tons per year and becomes a highly recognized brand in both domestic and international markets. To speed up the pace of innovation, Century Sunshine has set up provincial-level technology center, ISO standard, constant temperature and humidity experiment center, provincial engineering research center, CNAS certification lab, has carried out scientific and technological strategy cooperation with relevant scientific research institutions in the USA, South Korea, Finland, Japan and Germany, and China, etc., and has developed independently more than 50 new products, such as white top test liner, light-coated white top test liner, coated white top test liner, high-strength premium medium paper, high-grade series core board, high-grade decor paper, and colored and solid specialty paper, which fill in gaps in China and wins the company national patents, especially the 125-gram to 110-gram light-coated white-top test liner, which are exclusively produced by us, have triggered packaging revolutions for many times and won the company above 100 independent intellectual property rights. Commissioned by the national competent authority in the industry, we drafted the 7th edition of Industrial Standards for the series of white-top test liner products, which elevate the standards of Century Sunshine to the national level. Century Sunshine Paper has always insisted on the concept of reputation first and client first, turned from product management to brand management, concluded strategic cooperation partnerships with more than 100 VIP clients, successively built the sales brand company in 30 large and medium-sized cities, each with supporting transportation, storage, information and after-sales services, and formed a marketing network covering the whole country. Branch companies and offices are established in Japan, the USA, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Europe and other places. Enable Century Sunshine Paper to sell products in above 20 countries and regions and win it a high reputation at home and abroad. Facing the development trend of the global papermaking and packaging industry, Century Sunshine Paper, under the guidance of vertically integrated development strategy, has successfully built Sunshine Packaging Industrial Park and demonstration plants, created 2 tailor-made, world-class satellite-type Flexo pre-printing production lines by cooperating with the world-famous printing equipment manufacturer Bobst of Germany, and led a new trend in the packaging industry of China. The supreme mission of Century Sunshine Paper is to create value to our clients. The company has successively built a series of flagship factories, initially formed a packaging consortium under a nationwide layout, provided our clients with a series of services under the production mode of centralized printing and scattered boxing, and satisfied in the largest degree the box demands of various production enterprises, trans-regional factories, by providing complete and overall packaging solutions. In response to the call of the country, Century Sunshine Paper has resolutely taken its social responsibilities as an enterprise and made a strategic decision of replacing old growth drivers with new ones and creating updated versions of ecological papermaking and packaging. Based on the crop straw resources, the company has built a project of annual output of 500,000 tons of biomechanical pulp by integrating modern biotechnologies with the mechanical pulping process, which becomes a world-class creative innovation and allows the replacement of imported pulp and imported used paper with its high yield, high strength, energy conservation and environment protection and other features. At the same time, this has promoted the formation of crop straw industry chains in the surrounding area, reduced the pollution caused by crop straw burning, and increased rural income. The development road of agriculture papermaking integration, thus found out, has been included in Shandong project for the replacement of old growth drivers with new ones, and 2020 major projects and most key R&D plans. This is a full set of Voigt papermaking production line introduced from Germany. As a supporting project for biomechanical pulp, it can realize an annual output of 800,000 tons of high-grade premium medium paper featuring 2 high and 1 low, which has become a new material greatly favored in the packaging industry. It is a sunny day with birds twitter and fragrance of flowers. This is the living quarter of Century Sunshine Paper, a place for people of Century Sunshine Paper to rest. Here they live in peace and contentment. Here they have heart-to-heart talks. Here they study and grow up together. Century Sunshine Paper strives to build a new home for them, where they can have leisure and entertainment and enjoy the beauty of life. These smiling faces shine like the indelible sun of Century Sunshine Paper. A time will come to ride the wind and cleave the waves. We will set our cloud-like sail across the sea which raves. Entering the new age with high spirit and great vigor, Century Sunshine Paper has overcome all restraints with soaring aspirations, pushed forward despite repeated frustration with in-depth and investigation and extensive survey, and made long-term strategies with foresight. Bathed in the lovingly sun and full of vigor, we learn from experience and record it down for reference and look into the future and are resolute to create a bright future.